You're witnessing American White Pelicans at the beautiful Tidy Island Wildlife and Bird Sanctuary near Anna Maria Island. The American White Pelicans winter in Tidy Island every year, usually in the months of December and January. What an incredible view. White pelicans frequently fish as a team. The pelicans work to round up fish for breakfast. Here, you're observing these beautiful white pelicans. They're totally focused on feeding themselves. Hard to estimate how many white pelicans, but I would estimate, well over 200. The world's a beautiful place, no more so than at Tidy Island. Look at this wildlife bird sanctuary. Look at the white pelicans feeding in the morning in December. What a beautiful day to be alive.